Hello students, let's continue our chapter average speed, distance and time. We have already seen in our previous video what speed of an object in motion is. Let's discuss something interesting in this video. Consider two cars are moving on a straight path with different speeds. Suppose the time taken by a blue car to reach another side is 30 seconds and the distance covered by the same car is 420 meter. That gives us speed is 14 meter per second. Look at the value carefully. What does it tells us? Does it mean our object traveled 14 meter in every second? I wanted to answer the next question that I am asking you. In this example, can we say that speed of this car is constant throughout the distance? Or we can say that car covering 14 meter per second throughout the path? No, that wouldn't implies. Well, we know a factor that car doesn't start magically directly at the speed of 14 meter per second. Its speed gradually increases. Well, we can't say that speed is constant. Maybe car is slow in the first half of the journey and speed up in second half. That's why you can see the pointer never keep constant in speedometer. It keeps fluctuating. So the given data cannot be implies in any way that the car cover 14 meter in every second. So if this is not constant, then what is the speed called? This speed is called average speed. With the help of some more examples, we can understand it well. When a body is moving unequal distance in equal interval of time, then that motion is known as non-uniform motion. When we travel in a car, we push the accelerator to increase the speed and brake to decrease the speed. This is an example of non-uniform motion. Running in a race is also an example of non-uniform motion. As you start with high speed, but eventually you slow down. In this type of motion, the speed of the body is not constant. In non-uniform motion, it's very difficult to know the speed at every instant. So we study this kind of motion by using average speed. But before that, we must know about average. The average is defined as the mean value which is equal to the ratio of number of given set of value to the total number of value present in that set. Formula for that is sum of numbers over number of units, and average speed is defined as the total distance traveled for the object in question divided by the total elapsed time taken to travel the distance. Formula for that is total distance covered over total time taken. For example, in a car race, a car traveled a distance of 500 km in non-uniform speed in 5 hours. Then speed equal to total distance over total time. That is 500 km over 5 hours, that gives 100 km per hour. This is nothing but average speed. Hence, average speed is the ratio of total distance traveled by the object and the total time to cover that distance. Now let's take another car B, which moved with a speed of 50 km per hour for 1 hour and 60 km per hour for another hour. Then this is non-uniform motion. Now let's try to calculate the average speed. In this question, first of all, we will calculate distance covered by car when speed is 50 km per hour, and we will get it 50 km. Now we will calculate distance when car is at speed of 60 km per hour, and we will calculate it 60 km. Hence, total distance equal to 110 km and total time equal to 2 hours, and average speed we will get 110 by 2, that is 55 kilometer per hour. Hence, in this way, we can calculate average speed of the car for the entire journey. I am sure you are clear with this idea of average speed now. In next module, we are going to discuss about non-uniform motion. So, keep learning. Thank you.